looking for the best video making software, best video generator, or best video creator app? Well, look no further. Content Samurai is the best video creator app out there, by far. Black Friday is almost here, and to give you a jumpstart on the biggest sale of the year, Noble Samurai have just opened up their video marketing mega bundle, which saves you a whopping $1,846. This is the first and only time they've ever bundled together all of their most popular Samurai apps and bonuses. This means this is your ideal chance to grab a full suite of the best video marketing software at an incredibly low price. But this video marketing mega bundle is only available until midnight this Black Friday, the 29th of November 2019. So copy the link below to get in early and avoid the crazy click frenzy. So what is the 2019 Black Friday special offer? This special Black Friday bundle will help anyone use video marketing to grow their business, even if they've never made a video before. Here's what's included. 40% off Content Samurai, save $216 per year. Free Storyblocks video clips, save $468 per year. Free Storyblocks music tracks, save $180 per year. Free Vidsy, save $588 per year. Free Market Samurai, save $149. Free Question Samurai, save $49. Free Video Traffic Blueprints, save $49. Free 5-minute Facebook Ad Formula ebook, save $49. Free YouTube SEO cheat sheet, save $49. Free 21 ways to get clients cheat sheet, save $49. What an incredible deal! A deal that saves you a whopping $1,846. Please do not miss out. Sign up now. It doesn't get any better than this. This deal is unlikely to be repeated anytime soon, if ever. If you are into video marketing, or thinking about getting into it for your business, this video creation software is an app that you simply must have. Get in there now by using this special link. But don't hang around, as the deal closes at midnight on Friday the 29th of November 2019. Copy this link and take advantage of this amazing deal now.